Welcome back. We'll continue the code we started the previous lecture and work on the scaling part in reference to a single attractor. Now we will add the uniform scale component and our basic unit. This time, it's a sphere component. We will do like in section 2 and connect the geometry output from the move component to both components, sphere and scale. We will take a copy of the remapping numbers, domain range, and sliders components and either connect them directly to a multiplication component or through a division component to invert the scaling proportionality to distance. Then choose to connect multiplication result to the scaling factor input in the uniform scale component. And now, connect your uniform scale component to the solid difference input B. Which we can bake into Rhino by right-click, Bake, choose Layer, and click OK. So now you have the end form, and that's the end of our second code, a single attractor geometrical transformation code. Now you'll need to get familiar with the code by doing the coming exercise.